You have seen these words before, a, and, some, and any, but you might be confused when to use them. So by the end of this video, you will know how to use a, and, some, and any. So grab a piece of paper, grab your pencil, and let's practice. Let's start with a and an. How to use this and when? Well, these two, we use them for only one thing. A is used for consonant sounds, while an, we use them before vowel sounds. Now, some. Some is used for positive sentences for more than one or uncountable thing. And any is used in questions and negative sentences. So let's start with the first one. Number one. There is blank space apple on the teacher's desk. The first thing you need to find are your hints. So we have is referring to one thing, and we have apple. Knowing this, we can go ahead and we can choose our options. So apple is only one. Remember, a and an are used for only one thing. But remember, we have a letter A. A is a vowel, so we need to use an. There is an apple on the teacher's desk. Very good. Let's move on to number two. Now, there are. Are is plural, referring to one more thing. So we have students. More than one student is students in the library. So our options are and we can't use these. So we will be looking at some and any. So remember, some is used for positive sentences for more than one thing or uncountable things. So we can go ahead and this will be our best option. There are some students in the library. Let's move on to number three. Number three, is there eraser in your pencil case? Is there? Is referring to one thing. So a or an. Our best option here will be an because it is followed and we use it before a vowel. Is there an eraser in your pencil case? Let's move on to number four. Number four, are there books in your bag? Books, more than one. So we cannot use our and. We will be looking at some or any. So any is used for questions. I hope you remember that. So our answer for this one will be, are there any books in your bag? Number five, she has blank space umbrella because it is raining. Our keyword here will be umbrella because it's just one thing. And our best option, and our best answer here, our correct answer will be an. So she has an umbrella because it is raining. Let's look at number six. We don't have blank space homework today. So we don't is referring to a negative sentence, meaning no. So we don't have, and our best option here will be any because we use any for negative sentences. So answer, we don't have any homework today. Let's look at number seven. There isn't blank space milk in the fridge. There isn't. It's a negative sentence. There isn't any milk in the fridge. Let's move on to number eight. There are blank space cookies on the plate. Cookies is plural, more than one. So we'll be using some for this one. So there are some cookies on the plate. Number nine, is there elephant in the picture? We use any for questions and negative sentences, but we always have to be careful because is there is a singular be verb. So it's referring to one elephant and one thing we use our and. In this case, we're going to be using an because E for elephant is a vowel. So is there an elephant in the picture is our correct answer. Number 10, they have blank space games to play after school. So they is plural, more than one, referring to more than one person, and games is also plural. So we can't use our and, so we will be looking at some. They have some games to play after school. Right, the next one, number 11. Do you have ruler I can use? Our hint here will be do because we're asking a question and we use any for questions or negative questions. So our answer is, do you have any ruler I can use? Number 12, he doesn't have brothers. Is this a positive or a negative sentence? Well, our key hint here is doesn't. This makes this sentence negative. So he doesn't have any brothers. Number 13. There are chairs in the classroom. There are. R is a B, it's plural verb, and chairs is plural. So our best option over here will be some. So there are some chairs in the classroom. Let's look at number 14. Is there orange in your lunchbox? Again, is meaning one. So is there an orange in your lunchbox? And orange refers to one orange. Number 15. Are there blank space animals at the zoo today? Just by reading this sentence, you have to be careful because animals is more than one. And here is our hint, are there. And we're asking a question, so our best answer will be, are there any animals at the zoo today? Number 16. My sister has idea for the project. Idea is singular. So one will be using an because idea has the letter I, it's a vowel. So my sister has an idea for the project. Let's look at number 17. There isn't teacher in the room. So isn't, this word here makes this sentence negative. So our word for this will be, there isn't any teacher in the room. Number 18. Do you have blank space questions about the lesson? Do, you're asking a question. So do you have any questions about the lesson? All right, let's look at number 19. If you look closely, let's read it. Is there blank space email for the principal? Is there? Not because it's a question you will go ahead and write any. You have to focus on what you're reading. Is there? Is means one. Okay? So our best option for here would be an because email has a vowel. So is there an email for the principal? Number 20. We need blank space paper for the activity. Paper is an uncountable noun. We don't say papers. So you have to be familiar with irregular plural nouns. So in this case, it's an uncountable and we use some for uncountable nouns. So we need some paper for the activity. Now, if you know the differences between a and some and any, let me know down in the comments. I'll see you in the next video.